Hey everyone, Wade here from Disrupt Tutoring. It's always nice to join you. Today I'm going to be taking you through a question on evolution which was taken from the February and March 2018 DB exam. So let's jump in. The question says, evidence supporting the evolution theory is obtained by studying the structure of vertebrate forelimbs. This type of evidence for evolution is best described as A. Biogeography, B. Modification by descent, C. DNA evidence, or D. Genetic evidence. Let's get an understanding of what each of these terms mean. So biogeography refers to the distribution of species and ecosystems in terms of geographical space and geological time. So based on that, we can say it's not A. B, modification by descent. That refers to offspring who inherit traits from their parents. So if we think about vertebrates as a whole, for the forelimbs, they have very similar structure, same types of bones, but they're all modified in a slightly different way. So that could definitely be the option. So we'll just put a mark there. C, DNA evidence. That refers to similar DNA sequences. That's not the answer to this one. And D, the genetic evidence. That refers to similar genes. The most likely answer and correct answer to this is definitely B, modification by descent. And that's that, guys. That'll give you your mark. So before I go, don't forget you can send us your question and respond with a personalized video, or for more epic videos like this you can check out our website, which you'll find down below. Just a quick shout out to our sponsor, Style Balustrating. Be sure to check them out and you'll find their details in the description below as well. Until next time, stay epic.